In this video, let us learn some basic operations of mathematics. Let us start with addition. By taking a simple example, 4 plus 3. In primary classes, we have learned to solve them using lines. 4. Here we have got 4 lines and 3 represented with 3 more lines. 4 already been considered 4. Then we need to add them, right? 4, then 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7, right? Now coming to double digit number, the 44 plus 33. So how do we add them? Yeah, we add them by column wise. So first we add this row 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 7, as already we have solved over here. 4 plus 3 giving 7 over here. So 4 plus 3 gives 7 and 4 plus 3 gives 7. So answer will be 77. So let us now learn what is row and a column. Here you can see the digits 0 1 0 1 0. So again we have got the digit 1 0 1 0 1, right? So if I consider the digits in this way, that is horizontally, like 0 1 0 1 0, this is called row. And suppose if I consider like this 0 and 1, so this is called column, and the column 1 0 and 1 is a column 1, 1 and 0 column 2, and in the third column what we have 0 and 1, and in the fourth column we have 1 and 0, and so on. So in the similar way, this is row 1 and this is row 2. So what do the row 2 comprises of? 1 0 1 0 1. It means if we consider the horizontal arrangements, it is called row, and if we consider the vertical arrangements, they are called columns. Now let us get back to the problem again. Always remember, while adding the numbers with multiple digits, we need to start adding from the rightmost column. So first we will solve with this column, that is 7. 4 plus 3 gives 7, and next we will solve the other column, 4 plus 3, second column from the last. So again it is a 7. So answer is 77. Now let us see the last two problems of level 1. So 4 plus 3 already we have solved over here. 4 plus 3 gives 7, and here the 4 plus 3 in the second column from the last gives 7, and the third column from the last gives again 7, and the answer is 777, that is 707. Now coming to this one, the last one. So the 3 plus 4, again it gives 7, and 3 plus 4 over here gives again 7, and 3 plus 4 over here gives again 7. So now one thing we need to observe over here, even though the questions seem different, the answers over here are equal, 777 and 777. The answers are equal over here, from which we make some consideration, that is the 444 added to 333 is giving 777. In the similar way, the 333 been written over here, 333 added then to 444, that is in reverse order. Here 444, then 333, here 333, then 444. So if we are changing the order, I mean the first number taking second and the second one taking at the first, then the result remains same. It means a number added to the another number, it will be equal if the second number, that is b, added to the first number a, right? This is very much important observation. Please make note of it. Let's move to the next level. So now the problem is 9 plus 2. How to solve this? Already we have the 9 over here in our mind, and let us use the 2 over here lines. So 9 and then 10 and 11. So answer over here is 11. Similarly, in this problem, 9 plus 2 gives 11 and this 9 plus 2 gives 11. So can we call 99 plus 22 as 1111? No, completely unacceptable. So how do we solve that? Here comes the concept called carry for the rescue. Let us see what is carry. Carry. If addition of digits in a column gives a 2-digit number, then the first digit is called carry. So we take that carry over the top of a column that is on its left side. Let us now see what exactly carry means by taking an example. Let us again solve the same problem 9 plus 2 by using carry. So we here know that 9 plus 2 gives rise to 11. On adding the digits in a column, if gives a double digit number, or here you can see a double digit 11, then the first digit, this one, is to be carried to a column left to it. Here there is no column, but still we can carry on over here as this one comes over here. It's a carry. So what is the remaining one? The remaining one comes over here. So 9 plus 2, 11. First one comes over here and the second over here. So here there is nothing to be added. So 1 comes, 1 plus 0 and a 0. There is nothing over here. So 1 comes over here. So 11. So here 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 we write over here, the other one over here, first one and second one. So 1 plus nothing over here, so we write 11. This is how we need to solve this. Let us move ahead to the another problem, 99 plus 22. Let us solve this by using carry. Over here we did it wrong, and let us do now in the proper way. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So the first number is carry, which goes to the left column. This is the column. To the left of it we have another column, right? So this goes over here, 1. This is the carry. So what is the remaining one? Remaining is 1 over here. And then now coming to the second column, let us now add these. 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So 12, again a 2 digit, so first digit is carry. So we need to carry this to the column beside it. Is there any column over here? No, but still we need to carry. We can carry 1 over here, so remaining is 2. So now over here there is nothing but 1, so let us keep over here, bring down the 1 over here, so it gives 121. So 99 plus 22 is 121, but not 1111. So 1111 is a wrong answer, and this 121 is the right answer because we have used the concept called carry. Please remember, we use carry several times during addition, so it is a very important concept. Now let us move to last set of problems. So here it has been given to solve 999 plus 22. So generally let us solve in this way. 9 over here, 9 plus nothing, so 0, so 9 plus 0, 9, and 9 plus 2, 11, so the first number has to be carried, so I will keep one over here and the other one over here. Next comes to the third column. 1 plus 9 gives 10, 10 plus 2, 11, right? So this one was carry, which came down, right? So the answer as per this solving is 1119. Sorry to say, it is wrong answer. So now let us inquire what is the reason. Why is it wrong? The simple answer to this is alignment. What is this alignment? Look at this problem. 999, the last digit of this one is 9, and the second number is 22. The last digit of this number is 2. So the last two digits must be in the same line, that is same column. Are they in same column? No. Here it's a different column and here it's in a different column. So we have to bring the last digit of 999 and the last digit of 22 in a same column. Then after this alignment we need to solve. We can add. So 9 plus 2 gives rise to 11, and again the 9 plus 2 over here gives rise to 11 plus 1, it gives 12. So 9 plus 1 over here, 10. So the answer is 1021. To sum up this video, let us recall all the concepts that we have learned today. So the first thing what we have learned is about the rows and columns. So the horizontal categorization is called as rows, and the vertical categorization of digits is considered as columns. Rows and columns, right? The other topic that we have learned is carry. So what is carry? If addition of digits in a column gives a 2-digit number, then the first digit is called carry. So what do we do with carry? We take that carry over the top of the column that is on its left side. And the last topic that we have learned is alignment. What is this alignment? Alignment means bringing the last digits of the integers that are participating in addition. I mean 999 and 22, they were participating in addition. So the last two digits of both the numbers are to be aligned in a single column, right? That is called alignment, right? Yes. In this video we have learned how to add integers, but can we add decimals, example 2.4 and 3.06, in the same way? And the fractions like 22 by 7 plus 7 by 22, how can we solve these? And mixed fractions 7 1 by 2 and 6 3 by 7, how can we add them? So is it in the same way do we solve this? Let's see that in the next part of the video. Thank you.